To have these kids understanding and learning CPR and having that life-saving ability now, that's our why.
Landmark 24 Homes President and CEO Eric Sanford presented our school system with 3 CPR in Schools training kits.
Really, those kits help train 20 to 30 students per kit at a time. It's amazing. It teaches hands-only CPR, how to use an AED, and a little bit of first aid training as well.
At the end of the day, the school and the kids, they are our future. They're our future builders, they're our future engineers. Just to create that heart awareness is very, very important to us.
This donation through the American Heart Association will add to SCCPSS's arsenal of training kits. The latest going to Garrison School for the Arts, Southwest Middle, and here at Rice Creek School.
Think of the trickle effect too. We teach a student, they're able to go home and teach their parent. There are clips online that they can watch. And while these kids don't certify you in CPR, it does train you and it teaches you resources that you have. So they're able to pull this up at home and watch a quick 3-minute video with their parents. They're saying, this is what I learned at school. And now their parents are learning too.
In 23, we started the Cardiac Initiative where we went to instructor classes. We had 7 instructors. And from 23 until now, my instructor base is 10 individuals. And we have trained and certified over 2,000 staff and faculty members.
And these 3 newly donated CPR in Schools training kits are exponentially adding to the school system's overall safe environment. For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.